question. Prove that two power n minus 1 is greater than or equals to n times square root 2 power n minus 1, where n is a natural number, that is n belongs to capital N, that is a natural number. So this is the question. Proof. So it is a application of arithmetic mean is greater than or equals to geometric mean. So for which numbers we need to apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, etc. up to 2 power n minus 1, because here n is there, therefore how many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, etc. up to n minus 1, 1 to n minus 1, n minus 1 numbers, including 1, n minus 1 plus 1, that is total number of numbers are n. So apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for these n numbers. Then arithmetic mean of these numbers is what? 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus etc. up to 2 power n minus 1 over total number of numbers are n is greater than or equals to, here geometric mean. Geometric mean is what? 1 into 2 into 2 square into 2 cube, etc. up to 2 power n minus 1 whole power 1 by n. So this numerator in left hand side, in numerator it is a geometric progression in which first term a is 1 and common ratio, that is 2 by 1 or 2 square by 2, etc. that is 2, and number of terms are n. So sum of n terms of a geometric progression is what? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is the formula for sum of n terms of a geometric progression, Sn. So here a is 1, r power n, that is 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 over n is greater than or equals to, here this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, etc. bases are same. If you add the powers, then 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to n minus 1 whole power 1 by n. So next, here this is 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. This n comes here by n is greater than or equals to, this is 2 power, it's here power is what? Sum of n minus 1 natural numbers. So sum of n natural numbers is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Here n minus 1 up to n minus 1 is there, therefore sum of n minus 1 natural number, just you replace n by n minus 1, that is n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 plus 1 cancel, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. So this is sum of n natural numbers, this is sum of n minus 1 natural numbers. Here sum of n minus 1 natural numbers is what? N into n minus 1 by 2 power 1 by n. This implies this is 2 power n minus 1 by n is greater than or equals to, here this n and this n cancel, this is 2 power n minus 1 over 2. This implies 2 power n minus 1 by n is greater than or equals to, this can be written as 2 power n minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Next, this implies this is 2 power n minus 1 is greater than or equals to, here n is a positive number. If you take out right hand side, inequality remains same since n is a positive number. Therefore n into this is what, square root of power 1 by 2 is the square root of 2 power n minus 1. This is our required result.